We often insert pictures when editing documents. If we want to crop the picture, what should we do? After clicking the picture in the document, we can click the Crop drop-down button under the Picture Tools tab. We can choose Crop by Shape or Crop by Scale in the selection list. If we want to crop the picture into an oval, click Oval in the Basic Shapes selection list, and an oval will appear in the picture. The shaded part is the part that is cropped. There are 4 small black lines in the middle of the 4 sides of the picture. Drag these black lines to change the crop size. In the pop-up window on the right side of the picture, we can also change other shapes instantly. After adjusting, click the Place outside the picture to complete cropping. If we want to crop the picture to a certain ratio size, we can click Crop by Scale. There are different ratio sizes. We can choose them according to our personal needs and the size of the picture ratio. We can choose 5 by 3, and there we have it. What a practical feature! Did you get it?